So students, welcome to the interactive session. I mean, how should we proceed and how we should achieve the common goal. The common goal is that you should land into a good career, and our endeavor is that we should provide you a good opportunity so that you can showcase your talent and you can prove your worth and then accordingly perform to the expectations of the organization so that they find value in hiring you, right? So these all things are important, which will be necessary in the new normal, that they are not able to physically evaluate. They are able to evaluate you remotely. So the most important thing is that you should be able to prove that you are valuable to the organization based on your technical skill set. uh, Rohit, mute everyone. Probably some people are speaking in between. Right. Okay. See, we have taken this special initiative. Right. Okay. We always want to be in touch with you, and then we always want to see that the we always want to see that all of you grow and professionally as well as and personally as well. So our endeavor is that we should be able to provide you good opportunity as soon as possible. There are companies which are coming regularly. They are showing interest in the at least the normal general domain, I should say, wherein you are the beneficial a lot. That the other niche courses where we are having some issues in arranging certain organizations because the flexibility or the margin of maneuvering is very less in those niche domain courses. For you, probably we can, mold you into any of the domains, so that advantage you have. So you should utilize the space, whichever organization, whichever company we are inviting or which is coming to the campus. You should see that at least you are able to do justice with the opportunity which you are getting. That is must, that is required, that is important. And then I believe by now a lot of time has passed and so much time was available with you, wherein you could have very well, learned all the skills which were not able to, you were not able to master it, I should say. Not learn to, you have already learned it. You should have mastered it by now and you should not face any problem, but still we see that the companies come in, hardly we have some one or two selections. So those are the pain points. We have to identify which are the gray areas and where you find that you are not able to match the requirements of the organization, and you should match it. So self motivation is very important for me, for Rohit, for Shrikant, for all of us from the placement team. We will keep on inviting the company, we will keep on getting the companies, we will keep on lining the companies. That is not the end result what we are looking forward to. We are looking forward to some materialistic outcome from your side, which will enable you to start your career in this pandemic or the new norm. Right? Our idea is that everyone should be able to get a chance, and we should not wait for the last moment. 34 chances हो गए अब काम करें, 30 chances हो गए let me start working now or let me start performing now or let me start mastering certain technologies or adding certain skills and all, so that you cannot wait till the end. Everyone cannot be Dhoni wherein he you know gets the team out of clear in the last over. We have to prepare from the beginning so that the tension or the pressure is relieved, and then you are able to get your desired job in a IT company. So probably I wanted to speak and I wanted to interact and see if you are facing some problems. I know the students are there. Some of you have already completed the quota of 35 calls. Probably you will have to wait because till the time we are able to do justice with the other students who still have not got more than 20 calls. Some are still languishing at 15, 16, 17 calls. But now those who were not getting calls earlier, now the calls, every call you will be getting, or every alternate call you will be getting. So it will hardly take any time. I mean, 15, 20 days or 30 days, and then all of you will complete all your quota of chances. So you can understand, the moment we reach everyone completes the 35 chances, the journey becomes difficult, because by the time we have already contacted maximum number of companies. So to get new companies into the kitty, new companies into the system, I need to have certain new companies, certain extra companies, certain unexplored companies wherein I can invite. If I have already exhausted all the explored companies, then for me it's hardly dead end. Maybe I need to work. So for starting fresh, I need some time. So time is limited. I mean, whatever time is available, then that the time remains the same: 24 hours in a day, 7 days in a week, 30 days in a month. Okay. So I believe with this, I would open this forum. You can ask me questions. You can ask us questions. We are ready to hear your issues, your areas, your pain areas, and solve the queries of yours.
Okay, students, those who have question, raise your hand. Then we will.
Answer one by one. Anyone has any? DAX students will not have queries. DITs and DBA students were having certain queries, but
Getting chance.
बच्चे, हाँ, ये बच्चे काफी मस्त हैं, एकदम खुश, हैप्पी, हैप्पी गो लकी, एवरीवन इज एंजॉयिंग देयर लाइफ. हम्म, क्यों? एवरीवन, कैलाश, कल्पना, संकल्प, ओंकार, प्रियंका, आकाश, अभिनव, अजय, अभिजीत, यतीश, मंथन, स्वप्निल, शिवराज, जहांगीर, ऋतिका, अभिषेक, बोलो किसी के पास कुछ क्वेरी है, कुछ क्वेश्चन है, कुछ डाउट है, या ऐसा कुछ सजेशन मंथन ने. ओके, आस्क मंथन.
Yes, Manthan.
I was placed in on campus in Sapiens, but haven't got a joining date.
December 1st.
Yes, so that's why I asked.
Is December.
Will that joining date again extend?
That depends.
And also
Okay,
for
okay.
I would like to explain for Manhattan people, if they are here, the joining will happen in the month of December or latest by January, and the assignments will come through. We have already spoken to the companies, and it's in the process. Those things will come in. Don't you worry about it. They have already promised that they'll honor whatever selections they have made. So Manhattan students should not worry, should not be afraid, should not be having certain second any other doubts. सी अभी जो बच्चे अवेलेबल हैं 170 बच्चे अवेलेबल हैं प्लेसमेंट करने के लिए. तो 10-15 दिन में वो 100 से कम हो जाएंगे, बिकॉज ऑलमोस्ट ऑल ऑफ यू आर अबव 30 या 30 के आसपास सबके कॉल्स हो गए हैं. आई डोंट थिंक सो एनीवन हैज any student who has not yet completed 20 calls. You can raise your hand. हमें पता चल जाएगा कि वेरी है. 1 2 3 4 5 5-6 स्टूडेंट्स हैं रोहित. वी हैव टू टेक केयर. 5-6 स्टूडेंट्स हैं. वी विल डू एबीसी एनालिसिस. जिन जिन बच्चों के कम कॉल्स हैं, वी विल डू एनालिसिस. उनके कुछ इश्यूज होंगे, आई नो इट. देयर आर सर्टेन इश्यूज, they are genuine issues. I mean, the passing year is there, or gap is there, or scores are less, or they are not coming from the ITCS background, etc. So there are certain things which normally are, one of the major roadblocks for getting a high number of calls. I mean, and then also in the CDAC, the performance may be on the lower side. That is there, but then we have to overcome those shortcomings and see that we are specifically provided certain extra calls or beneficial calls. That is my responsibility. I'll take care of that. But there's a system, there are ethics. So we need to follow the ethics. We need to follow the systems. Though we may have some maneuvering or some bypass, but I cannot, I cannot overrule this system. I cannot break the laws. I cannot be unethical. So you should understand our position also. So that will take care of us. Any other student has any other issue?